Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry as Mad X Stitcher, and I have a big parcel to open up. This is from the Pigeon's Nest, and I am joining with a year of Froggo this year as well, so I had to order a Froggo kit, so we're going to get it open and see what I've got. So first I need to find some scissors. Right, okay. So I ordered quite a few things, and okay. So first thing out of the bag is Froggo! Oh my god, I can't wait to make him up. So it comes with everything you need. So it has all the yarn, there's a 3mm hook, a needle for sewing everything together, there's recycled toy stuffing to stuff him, there's some safety eyes, and there is a copy of the pattern in there as well. So let's put that to one side. And I also picked up another kit as well, because I saw this in the autumn and I think it had sold out at the time, but so this is Pigeon, and I'm gonna make the pumpkin spice latte cowl because I love those colours. So again, this comes with a printed pattern. You've got all the yarn in there. There's a 4mm hook and a needle to sew it together at the end as well, to sew in all the ends. So it's granny stripe. So it's fairly simple, fairly easy. I reckon I can have that done maybe in an afternoon. We'll see. So I have two kits. Then there's a few more bits in here. I think that's everything. Nothing else has fallen out, so I think I've got everything out. Okay, so I ordered a crochet hook because there's a sticker. I wanted a Christmassy hook, and I don't actually own one. I think the ones that I do have are just not the right size for the project I was making, so I ordered a Christmassy hook, and it's like candy cane. So it's a 4mm hook, and I've noticed that I've been using my, I think it's my kaleidoscope one. I've been using it a lot for my gingerbread cowl, and I've started to wear the colour off of the rubber because I've been using it a lot, so I thought I'd get another one for that. So it's Christmassy because I don't have any Christmassy hooks. So there's that, and then I've got another envelope. I've got a whole pile of stuff. So I have patterns for the mushroom, so toadstool, and then for the little penguin as well. I also have loads of stickers, so many stickers, so I'll show you those in a minute. This is the Granny's on the Go blocking board. So I've already started making my granny squares for my weekly challenge this year, where I'm working my way through the granny square card deck. So I thought this would be perfect to put them all onto that as I work through them, and it will keep them all to the same size. So it is a Granny's on the Go blocking board. So you get two blocks. We've got holes throughout, so you can put different sizes, different sort of shapes. So I could do like stars, for example. So you get two of those, and then you get the blocking pins as well. So the blocking pins are in here. I'm not going to take them out because I will lose them. But I thought that would be a really good way of blocking my granny squares as I go. So I'll set that up at some point once I've got maybe a few more squares on the go. Yeah, so it's in a nice little drawstring bag, so you can take it with you, and then you just set it up, and then you can use it. And then lastly is my little bag of stickers. I got quite a few stickers. So I picked up duplicates of some of them because I want to give them as gifts for friends. And then the others are all just for me. Okay, so I have no regrets, just whips I haven't finished. Which is, if you've seen my whip audit, yeah. We have a pigeon postcard. That's so funny. So I picked up a few of those. I have no regrets, just unfinished whips. I also got an eat, sleep, crochet, repeat, which is sparkly. And I love this stamp idea. So it has the UK to US terms. So a lot of crochet patterns use either English or American terms. I then have 3 of these fabulous little yarn balls. So I have a couple for friends. And then I have the little teeny tiny Christmassy ones as well. Let's see if I can get them out of the packet without losing them. So I've got some little teeny tiny reindeers. They are just too cute. Teeny tiny reindeers. So it's a yarn ball. So I've got a few of those. And then I have the Christmassy set. So this is the Christmas yarn cuties. And in here, I think there's 4 different ones. So I've got another one of the reindeer, because I bought extra reindeers. We have a bauble. So hanging Christmas bauble. There is Christmas pudding. Got a little face on him. And we have a little elf as well. So, yeah, they're just super cute. So I had to get those. And that's it. That's what I got. So I've got lots of stickers. I'm going to have to start putting together the Christmas gifts. Well, they were for Christmas, but they're no longer for Christmas. Yeah, I wanted to make up a little gift for a couple of my friends. So I've got lots of crochet related bits and bobs for them. I have the Grannies on the Go block. I have a couple of patterns, and then I have my 2 kits. So, yeah, what do you think I'm going to finish first? I'll put all the details down below. So if you want to go ahead over to Pigeon's website to get your own, then yeah. So this year Pigeon is doing a year of clothing for Froggo, so different outfits every month on her Patreon site. So I have joined her Patreon and I've got the first outfit, which I can't wait to work up. So now I've got my Froggo. It's time to make him up and get some outfits made for him as well. So I will see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.